So here we are in an Isabella Magnum. It doesn't matter whether you've got a Magnum, a Minor, an Ambassador, even a Nordic. If the fittings on the end of your pole snap, the bayonet fittings, they're very easy to replace. So what I've got here is one of the carbon roof poles, 26mm bayonet fitting that goes in and twists. Now it might have been a stormy day, or you might have just put it up and the little fitting on the end has snapped. So follow me and we'll change one of the fittings. So take the pole out, and what you really need is a smaller diameter pole to feed in and pop it out. There we go, we've popped that one out. So what you can do, you can buy brand new packets of the bayonet fittings. It's 26mm, like I say, it fits the carbon poles or it fits the mega poles. So once you've opened your packet, that's what you're left with, your carbon fitting there. Get your carbon fitting and pop it onto the end of your pole. Just push it straight on, give it a quick tap on the floor, and that's it all changed. Once you've done that, slide it back in, and then you can carry on using your awning.